Somewhere out there, right now, it is raining liquid iron on another planet. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system, and we have discovered thousands of them. Scientists find these worlds in two main ways. The first is the transit method, where they watch for tiny dips in starlight as a planet passes in front of its star. The second is the wobble method, where they detect small movements in a star caused by a planet pulling on it with gravity. Both methods are incredibly precise and have completely changed how we see the universe. Some of these planets sit in what scientists call the habitable zone. Not too hot, not too cold. Planets like Kepler 452b, Kepler 186f, and TRAPPIST 1e all orbit at distances where liquid water could potentially exist on their surfaces. Water is one of the key ingredients we associate with life, which makes these worlds especially exciting to study. But then there are the extreme ones. HD 189733b is a deep blue planet where glass rains sideways through the atmosphere at thousands of kilometers per hour. WASP-12b is being physically torn apart by its star, slowly losing material into space. WASP-76b has temperatures so extreme that iron vaporizes into gas, drifts to the cooler side of the planet, and falls as liquid metal rain. Kepler 10b is likely covered in oceans of molten lava. The universe is not just big, it is wildly, beautifully strange, and we are only just getting started.